In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable store credit in your Shopify account. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure everything is clear and easy to follow. So, if you're ready to enhance your customer service options and provide a bit more flexibility for your shoppers, let's dive in. First, we need to log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on your main dashboard, I want you to focus your attention on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page with a variety of options for managing different aspects of your store. Now, on the left-hand side of this settings page, you'll find different categories listed vertically. I want you to look for the section labeled Customer Accounts. Click on this option to proceed. This is where you can adjust various settings related to your customers' interactions with your store. Once you're on the Customer Accounts page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the options available. Our focus here is on a feature called Store Credit. Scroll through the options until you find this feature. The final step is pretty straightforward. Next to Store Credit, you'll notice a toggle button. If this feature is currently deactivated, the switch should appear as a muted or gray color. All you need to do is click on this toggle, and it will turn on, typically changing to a different color, often green or blue, to indicate that it is now activated. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled store credit on your Shopify account. By turning on store credit, you offer your customers a convenient and flexible way to make purchases on your shop. This feature can be particularly helpful for handling returns and exchanges, as it allows customers to utilize their store credit, just like cash during future transactions. Additionally, enabling store credit can promote customer loyalty, as it encourages customers to return to your store to make use of their credit. It's a small but significant step in improving the overall shopping experience. So, just to recap, head to your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Settings on the lower left, click on Customer Accounts, find the Store Credit option, and toggle the button to the On position. You're all set and ready to start offering this added benefit to your customers. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy selling, and we'll see you in the next